If you ask yourself the questions about the 789665 ground resistance signaling module of WAGO, for whom is this product in general interesting, and what are the benefits for the user, we have the answers. First question, easily answered. Everyone whose machines and systems fall under the scope of IEC 60204-1 should be interested, especially if they have grounded the 0 volt of the control circuits to eliminate dangerous consequences of ground faults. For the second question, we have a look to the general measures of grounding the 0 volt. Widely used the simple wire. In case of ground fault, the fuse blows and the machine suddenly stops. So no predictive maintenance possible. Customers like automotive who have to prevent downtime, they use ground conductor disconnect terminals. Opening the knife lets them evaluate the LEDs to see upcoming ground faults. So predictive maintenance possible, but manual effort involved. And the game changers our new module. Automatically, every 10 seconds, it is checking for upcoming ground faults and gives indication by LED and signal. So lift your predictive maintenance to the next level by using the module. Try it.